everybody, I'm out here with the IDrone DM009, something I haven't flown for 2 years. Okay, let's start the video. Let's see if I can remember all this crap. Okay, let's start it up. Now this always was a great flyer from what I remember. 3 rates. Oh yeah, I remember this thing. I remember how fast this thing was. Oh yeah, this was great. Boy, why did I wait 2 years to fly this thing again? Oh yeah, plus I think I remember this thing had a nice battery life. Now it's windy. I just got done flying that National Geographic thing, so I'm in the same spot with the wind and everything, so. The only reason I'm standing over here is actually because the trees here are shading me because it's really sunny and it's hard to see these phones, you know, when that sun's glaring down on these phones like that. It's pretty hard to see. Let me try to do a little trim. I'm not gonna be able to do much because of the wind. That's the wind blowing this back. That's nothing to do with trim, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this thing back out on a nice day, man. This thing's flying great. Yeah, that one button, if you hold it in, this button here, it's the return to home, which means it's backwards, okay? So I'll take it out here away and see if that works. And here it comes. So I stopped it, okay, because we don't care about that. In the 3rd rate, this thing is quick. There's the 1st rate. There's the 2nd rate. The higher I get up there, the harder it is to control it because the damn wind is blowing it around even more. But I'm getting it up there and so you can see some of the video. The video quality on this isn't bad, I guess, for a toy. I mean, that's what it is, right? And it's nice and quiet too, this thing. It's quiet as hell. This is a Great Quadcopter. A Great Quadcopter. Man, this thing is a real beauty. Look at the wind taking that. Okay, that's wind. Okay, guys, taking that over there. Well, but you know, the pitch on this thing is so good, and this thing flies so well that you can fight this off. Look at the pitch on that thing. Look. You can fight them winds off with this thing. It's so, the pitch is so nice on it, so. Very nice. I'm gonna cut the video now because I don't want to lose the video, so. The video was recorded at 6:36. I have some other things to fly in here, but they're so small I'm not even going to deal with that today. I'm going to bring them out tomorrow or the next day or whatever. Man, this thing, you guys don't have one of these. You got to see if they still make them and get one. This thing is just so awesome to fly. God. Wow. This is a great one, man. I'm telling you. What a beauty. I don't know what the land button is, but this, maybe I'll just let the wind take it and crash it into the fence. Right? That'll be my landing. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring it in here. I'm not even running the whole battery. This thing, it flies for, from what I remember, it's well over 10 minutes. Man, bam. Oh, bam. I've heard that somewhere. That's right, IDrone. The great IDrone. He loves this thing. I remember, I think he had a bunch of them. He gave some away, I believe. But anyway, yeah. This is a good one here, guys. Man, I had forgotten about how great this thing actually was. Man, what a beauty. All right, guys. Have a nice day.